This quick video is about how to share your WhatsApp group link on iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First open WhatsApp and open the WhatsApp group. Now click here and scroll down to the end. Yeah, and this contact is me. I'm a group admin, so I can able to share WhatsApp group link, but this person is just a participant. He can't share group link. The only way is ask your group admin and make you as group admin. After that, participant can also able to share the group link with others. Okay, now let's see how to share your WhatsApp group link. Just tap invite to group via link. Yeah, here you can share with these options. And one thing you have to keep in mind, using this group link, anyone can able to directly join with your WhatsApp group. That's the thing you need to aware about that. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.